Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. In today's repair session, we'll be working on the Dell Latitude 7400 2-in-1 laptop. The issue we discovered was a broken power rail line on the PCB, specifically the one supplying 3.3 volts, 2.2 volts, and 1.8 volts. This fault prevented the system from powering up correctly. Let's walk through the repair process step by step. After carefully inspecting the motherboard, we identified the damaged section of the power rail. Because the affected areas were extremely small, this repair required the use of a microscope for precision. Without magnification, the risks of breaching or damaging nearby components would be too high. The first step was to gently scrape off the damaged portion of the PCB under the microscope. Once exposed, clean the area thoroughly with alcohol to remove debris and ensure a clean working surface. This preparation is critical for a reliable repair. Next, use a multimeter to test the broken lines for short to ground. We keep applying alcohol for a clearer view. To prevent accidental bridging of the power rails, we apply UV solder marks ink between the broken sections. And then we use a UV light to dry up the ink. It takes a while to dry up completely. Now that the ink is completely dried, We use fine wire and a soldering iron. We carefully reconnect the broken power rail. We apply flux for a clean job. This delicate step restored continuity across the 3.3 volts, 2.2 volts, and the 1.8 volt line. After soldering, we tested each connection with a multimeter. The readings confirm that the 3.3 volts, 2.2 volts, and 1.8 volt rails were restored and stable. Always verify your work before sealing the repair. It saves time and prevents repeated issues. Mm-hmm. 3.3 volts. And 1.8 volts. With the repair confirmed, we use alcohol to clean the surface. We go ahead to cover the wires with UV solder max ink, and this is to prevent shorts from other parts of the motherboard. They use the UV light to dry out the ink. This ensures durability and protects against future shorts. After the UV ink is dried up completely, we proceed to the final step of testing the laptop. You can see the laptop has powered on and it's working properly. We successfully restored the broken power rail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.